Love it! Love it already!
Oh, di bang saya?
Wow! That's it! Hey guys! Welcome back to today's video, and it's been a long time, and I'm very excited today because I have Rhea Topacio from Luneta Ice Cream!
Hi.
Welcome to my channel! So we're gonna make some halo-halo for all of you guys.
Yes! Nagsimula ako nung hindi ako makahanap ng work. Because when I migrated here, almost a decade ago, it's quite difficult for me to find a job because I don't speak good Dutch. So nisip ko, why not make a business? So we started with the dela chocolates, which is the recipe ni Dennis. It was so good. It's dark chocolate with all those crunchy things inside. But then again, since it's still not easy to push the market, I thought about doing cupcakes. Yeah, the teeny designer cupcakes. So we did that for like 5 years, and we made like 20,000 cupcakes. So,
wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. So medyo, ano na, parang medyo nauubusan na ako ng creativity. So we thought of something new. So every year, we think of a business that we can do. So we thought of exporting actually an ice cream maker, tabletop, to the Philippines. So sabi ko, I have to study this first. Paano may magtanong sa akin, diba? So when we tried it, we made ice cream, and then we realized there's no Filipino ice cream here. Yeah. So there, then we made the ingredients, the recipes, and we asked our friends to try it out. So yun, busog yung mga friends ko.
So saan nanggaling ang name Luneta?
Well, at first we wanted Malate sana. Kasi sa Malate Catholic School, yun yung common school namin ni Dennis when we were younger. Younger. But then again, kulang yung ring eh. It doesn't ring nothing. It's nothing there. So we said, oh, how about Mabini? Kasi in Mabini Street sa Manila, hero naman siya, diba? But then again, parang kulang pa rin. And then our friend Walter suggested, why not Luneta? Because when you say Luneta, it brings you back to the olden days na you go there every Sunday to eat the ice cream, play in the playground. So we said, okay, I think that is a better name.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, and then I asked my best friend Alan to make the logo. Then everything is there.
I heard that you've been expanding, huh? Congratulations with
Thank you. Thank you.
So where are you expanding lately?
Well, we have, of course, here in Netherlands. Then we are available in Belgium, United Kingdom, and Ireland. Then we have Sweden, Finland, Norway, Denmark, and then hopefully we go to France and Switzerland very soon. And of course, we're targeting the Middle East. We'll see about that. And then we conquer Europe and the Middle East Asia.
Ngayon, gagawa na tayo ng halo-halo. So Rhea, maybe you can talk me to the ingredients of your halo-halo?
Okay, for halo-halo, of course, we have the ice. And huwag natin kalimutan ang Ube Ice Cream dahil yan yung magpapasarap ng halo-halo natin from Luneta Ice Cream. We have the nata de coco with green and red. Some people use gelatin, but this one is flavored siya with coconut. So coconut yung lasa niya. And then makapuno, which is it is a sweetened aged coconut. Okay, then jackfruit, langka, sweetened also, and kaong, which is sugar palm nut. Sweetened siya. Huwag mo kakainin nyo raw. And then the white beans, and then saba, which is a Philippine banana. And we have our secret ingredients, and of course milk. So para sa mga lactose intolerant, they can use also their own kind of milk.
But you cannot omit the milk, right?
No, it holds the halo-halo flavor together. Okay. And of course, cornflakes as toppings for the crunchiness. In the Philippines, we use pinipig, but here, of course, it's difficult to import that, so we use cornflakes.
Where's ube come from para sa mga viewers natin?
Okay. Ube is purple yam, meaning yam. So there is a family of plants. It's called yam. Okay, it's available usually down under the equator. Now this one from the Philippines is actually purple. This is not sweet potato. It's totally different. The difference is basically with the texture that it has. And Filipino usually cook it as a dessert. Dun lumalabas yung tunay na lasa ng ube.
So who is the better person to teach us how to make a halo-halo is with your beloved husband, Dennis. So now let's welcome Dennis Rogacion in our channel. Yay! Welcome!
Hello everyone.
Hello, Kuya Dennis.
So I'm so excited. So you are going to teach me and my viewers how to make halo-halo, the Luneta ice cream way. The Luneta way.
The Luneta way,
Yes. So tell me and I will do it for you.
What is the Luneta way?
What is the Luneta way?
Masarap. First, we need the ice, of course.
So I already washed my hands. So put the ice here. So we are going to crush the ice. It's important, no?
Yeah,
Yes, of
course. Yo.
That's nice. Yes.
Siyempre, we have the special halo-halo glass, diba?
It's important to use a special halo-halo glass or not. Or we can use just normal that's normal glass.
Of course.
But as long as it's tall,
Tall?
it should be fine.
So if you don't have like an ice crusher at home, you can use your blender like this one. And then also the traditional way is the kayod.
Kayod.
There's a photo here.
Pawis.
Okay.
After the ice, the Luneta way is we use our secret ingredients. I mean,
Can I ask what's this?
no. Of course not. It makes me even more yummier.
And lekkerder and mas masarap.
Yeah. And then, saba.
Banana.
Filipino banana. And then the beans, white ones.
Some people also use the brown beans, munggo, and all that.
Ito ba yung halo-halo natin is kailangan it depends on your liking because some
Yes.
people doesn't like the sago or
the
you can omit.
beans.
Pwede mo tanggalin yung gusto
Ano yung,
mo.
Okay.
But this is how we do it. Nata de coco.
green.
The green one.
The green one. You can also make it you can also use the what we have red, the white, or the orange. Do we have orange?
I think that's different flavor.
The Netherlands color.
Yeah. And then nakaong.
Sugar palm nut.
Next one is
Next one is the red nata de coco. Para colorful, masaya rin.
Makulay ang buhay.
Makulay ang
Makulay ang
buhay
buhay.
yun.
makukulay ang buhay from Luneta Ice Cream.
And then the makapuno
Yes.
sa coconut.
Yeah, coconut, aged coconut, sweetened aged coconut.
Oh. And then the langka.
That is the jackfruit, right?
Yes.
That's not the young jackfruit.
Ito yung hinog.
And then we put
Cornflakes.
for cornflakes for the crunchiness.
Yes.
For the texture, we always need to have some texture in our life.
Sa Philippines, they use the pinipig
Yeah.
para crunchy siya.
And then milk.
Yeah.
So top it off. Top it off.
Yang, ganda.
Yes. So now we have gonna put a scoop of ube.
Luneta ice cream.
You can put 2, right?
Yeah.
If you want.
Yes.
The more the merrier.
color. Love it. Love it already.
O, dibang saya.
Wow. That's it. So we have shaved ice cream. Ice. Sorry, we
Shaved
have shaved
ice.
ice. The banana, the makupuno, nata de coco, the young jackfruit, the beans,
the kaong.
the crispy texture on top, and then some Luneta ice cream. So of course the recipe will be at my website and at the description box down below.
All we need is a spoon.
You have a long spoon.
And then, all you have to do is make
Halo!
Halo! So
How
you
to eat
need
the
some-
halo-halo?
How to eat the halo-halo? You not
Just get a long spoon, stick it there on the side, and then just try and mix everything from top to bottom.
Yeah.
There you go.
wow, expert.
And then mix there, and you got your halo-halo.
Oh, yum.
See it's all in the bottom now.
There you go.
So of course, halo-halo is best eaten in the summertime, right? In the Philippines. Guys, here you go. That's the halo-halo from Luneta Ice Cream made with ube ice cream.
Oh, Luneta.
Luneta.
Ube.
Lastly, what is your advice to all the Filipinos out there, or not Filipinos in Europe, who are like want to also start their own business to make it out there?
What I always tell them is, do your passion. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo na hindi mo kailangan mag-effort, yung pag ginawa mo siya, masaya ka.
Yeah.
Okay? And it doesn't have to be a big fun to start with. Ang maigi doon is masimulan siya.
Yeah.
Kasi if you're gonna wait for the time before you start something really nice that you want to do, it will not push through. Yeah? And of course, careful planning.
Yes.
Yeah, usually yun yung mistake eh. They don't plan.
Yeah.
They don't study what they want to do.
Go na lang ng go.
Oh, go na lang and go. You have to study and you have to make good partners.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be Filipino. Of course, it would be nice if it's Filipino, but based on our experience, it is really good also to explore other nationalities. It's usually the learning you get from them. Kasi iba-iba yung point of view eh.
Yeah.
So, yun. So just go for it and then keep your integrity intact and dignity, and make sure you're serving or providing good service or good product that you're really proud of.
So where can we find the Luneta Ice Cream?
Yes, good question. Well, the list of stores that you can buy Luneta Ice Cream, you just go to the website. It's lunetaice-cream.com, and all the information are there. So, lahat, may store locator doon. And then if you cannot find a store near you, you can contact the distributors in your region.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to be here in my channel, and I'm overwhelmed and for my halo-halo. What is your long-term plan for Luneta Ice Cream? What's your main goal?
To go back to the Philippines, to bring this taste that we grew up with, to bring it back. Going back to the roots. Diba? Salamat nga pala sa mga kaibigan natin, like si Kahoy.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo sa amin.
Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. So if you are still here, so don't forget to subscribe, because I will make food that will always makes you feel good. Bye!